Life. Today I am going to do a flip and drag with small cups. I'm going to use two of these small shot glass size cups, and as you can see I've filled them with different colors of neons and a little bit of black in this one, and the other one is filled with different colors of neons with a little bit of silver in it, and I'm going to use both of these as flip and drag little cups. Now that's one. I think I'm going to do one and then I'm going to wait and do the other and see where this one goes. So let's see if we can get this pretty cool this way. I actually think I kind of want to run this parallel with this one, but start up here. Okay, let's try that. Alright, now I can mess with it. Yay, yay, yay. Alright, let's just start this with some fire. As you know, I especially like to go around the edges when I do this kind of thing because it kind of makes them spread out into the black a little bit. And I like that look. Alright, now I want to do a little bit of tilting. I kind of like that. I'm going to hit it with the fire a couple more times, maybe, around the edges. And see if we can get it to kind of feather out a little more in some places. And then I may do a little bit of manipulation. We'll see. All right, I think I'm gonna call that finished. I like it actually. I like it way more than the one I tried to do yesterday. Here is the latest painting. It's neons and black, and I'm gonna go in for a close-up look. So here we go. Look at that pretty threading in there, the webbing. The colors in this are just so pretty. Making noise with the paper towel I was holding in my hand. I actually really like this corner. It's much more sparse. Ooh, look at that. Look at all the colors mingled there. So pretty. It really, really is an interesting painting to me. I hope you enjoyed this pour, and since I now have some neon colors, I look forward to using some neons in my other pour paintings. So this is the painting, the Blue Phoenix Rising painting in its natural environment. Hi, Mugsy. It's actually hanging above my desk. I loved it so much, it had to be mine. So this is it after it's been finished and made all pretty and hung on the wall. I think Mugsy gets to enjoy it more than I do, especially if there's a ball involved. So there's my phoenix, my blue phoenix.